Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about community helpers. So in the last video, community helpers part 1, we have to learn how to write the community helpers name with spellings and in cursive writing also, like farmer, teacher, soldier, policeman, postman, plumber, electrician, nurse, doctor, firefighter, cobbler, baker, carpenter, dentist, coach, barber, librarian, grocer, vet, pilot, detective, milkman, driver, baker, like this. Okay, so in this video we continue this community helpers part second video. So we have to learn who is farmer. So definition of that community helpers. The farmer. A farmer grows crops for us. What farmer doing for children? Farmer grows crops for us. Teacher. A teacher teaches us at school. Doctor. A doctor cures the patients. Policeman. A policeman catches thieves. Postman. A postman brings letters to us. Sweeper. A sweeper sweeps the roads. Fireman. A fireman protects us from fire. Tailor. A tailor stitches our clothes. Barber. A barber cuts our hair. Cobbler. A cobbler mends our shoes. Gardener. A gardener takes care of plants. Painter. A painter paints our house. Plumber. A plumber fixes our taps. Milkman. A milkman delivers milk. Driver. A driver drives a vehicle. Carpenter. A carpenter makes furniture. Mechanic. A mechanic repairs our vehicles. Chef. Who is chef, children? Yes, chef serves us a tasty food. Baker. Baker makes delicious cakes. Greengrocer. Greengrocer sells vegetables and fruits. So these are all our community helpers. So everyone are very important to us. So please children, we must give respect our community helpers. So children, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. So bye bye.